Let's take a live look. Let us zoom in and take a live look at the market right now. This is the SPY based on the S&P 500, currently trading under $398. So you can see the sell-off going on. We were trying to get some action right through here on our call credit spreads. We were only able to fill 1 out of the 10 contracts. So we probably missed our window on the remaining 9. I mean, you never know. The market can turn on a dime, as we do know. It would have been, look at that. It was already 80% in the profit. That would have been a great trade. The 402, selling the 402 strike price. But we weren't able to fill that. And I don't want to be messing around with it, I think, right now. That was my opportunity for the day. I'm nervous about tomorrow. I'm obviously nervous about the rest of the day. Our trader's going to get a jump on the sell-off that they're anticipating tomorrow. And in case that is indeed the scenario, then we want to make a couple defensive moves here. So I was looking at this Dish network. This was part of our premium hunters play that we made on what date? It was March 1st. We sold 5 contracts and made $55 in premium on a $10 strike price. So that was big time premium. We should be able to buy our way out of them right now for $5. So I would do that. Give $5 of that. Where's my 5 contracts? Go back. We need the 5 contracts in there. Review the order. So it'll cost me $5. It'll release $5,000 in collateral. Like to see that just fill right up. There's one ring-a-dingy. Do I hear 2? I don't hear 2 yet. Come on, you can do it. My Mac's making a weird noise. The fan is actually running, and with the Macs, the fans almost never run. So let's just close a couple of windows, because I like to have, and you've probably noticed this in the videos, I like to have a bunch of those windows open. You never know where this buzzy brain's going to take me. So I got to look around, check it out, right? So let's just close some things. I showed you the SPY spreadsheet in the previous. What's it doing? So I filled 1 of the 5, and now it's saying the cost is $2 a contract, $2 bills, and that's probably because of the sell-off in the market. Let's take a look. What are you doing? Trying to fight back up to 398. Having a tough time doing it, though, isn't it? So let's go back, take a look here just to see. We'll leave those open for now, and hopefully we won't have to adjust and pay another $1 a contract. Another odd day in the market. The other thing I was looking at was the old Tesla. I put this trade on yesterday. If you watched it, it was the Tesla Model D trade, and D was for Dollar Bills. And I was like, hey, let's just put this trade on. If I get put at 175, then we'll just sell a covered call. But because of my nervousness for tomorrow, I thought, let's just roll this position now, buy us some more time, and put more dollars in our pocket. Probably even roll down to a lower strike price. So we collected $135 yesterday, just yesterday, in that trade, which expires tomorrow. So it probably would still be safe. But if we look at Tesla's share price, it's dropping. You better get out of it now. Oh, let's roll it. So it would cost me $146 to get out of it right now, which we'd be in the red. But if we roll it, we should still be able to roll it for more dollar bills. Let's see here. Let's go back. Let me see what it's doing exactly, right? Let's see what you're doing here exactly, Tesla. Come on, internet, kick back in. So it's down $3.56 today, $3.60, almost 2% today. So it is, there's that fan. I don't know if you can hear it. I hope you can't. But here is our put, right? So here is that put that we are going to try to roll right now. If we were to roll that out 8 days to March 17th, what do we have to do to cover this debit? So that's a debit. That $1.47 is the debit right now. And we could probably go all the way down to 170 and still collect a nice premium, right? If we wanted to really get crazy, we would roll it all the way down to 165. We already have 5 in action on the 165 now. We would still cover, but let's play it a little riskier. Let's play it just a little riskier, but also roll down. So we'll roll down $5 from the 175 down to the 170 strike, saving us $5 per share in case we are assigned those and still trying to collect this $150 credit. So let's see what we have to do to get it, because I'd like to just get it now because I'm hungry and I want to go eat. Want to go eat and watch a little Cubs spring training baseball that I've got on the old DVR. All right, let's see. Review the order. Can we fill it right here and collect $148? Maybe, maybe not. We're not having the best of luck filling these orders today, are we? We are not. We are not. Yeah, and that's because Tesla still trying to slide. So let's replace that order. Let's replace that order and see what we have to do on the credit to try to get this thing. Hey, I thought we were replacing. Let's go back. We're trying to go to 370, right? Yeah, going to 370. Continue. Let's go to $1.45 just to get it filled right now. Let's get it filled, release a little capital or a little collateral because we're rolling down $5. Okay, so we did get that filled. We collected a couple of dollars into the green and rolled it out. We rolled it out. This one's still on the board though. What does that mean for Dish? What is Dish doing right now? Is it going down? Because it was up real nice. It was up real nice today. That's why closing out of those positions wouldn't have been too difficult. So it's up 3.35% today. We should be able to get out of those. What's the deal? What is the dealio? Let's cancel and replace them. I may have to pay $2 to get out because I don't want to own Dish. I just want to make dollar bills on it. So let's continue. We've got 4 left. It's telling us we have 5, but we filled 1, right? We filled 1. So let's go with our 4 at the $8 bills. But it would be off my mind and I wouldn't have to be concerned with Dish. Okay, so those filled. All 5 should be filled, but it's still saying I have 1. Sometimes Robinhood does this. It really does. Okay, it's showing all the Dish is off the board. Of course, this is still here. That's not going to get filled unless SPY does something miraculous on their comeback tour today. And I don't believe that's going to happen. That's why I wanted to get on that trade. We would have made some sweet dollar bills today on that. What else did you want to see? I don't really want any more Intel. And even though this is likely to expire at full profit tomorrow, because look where we're at. We're at 2670. Intel's having a nice day. Finally. But can we get out of these for $2? So we got 2 contracts, right? Let's try to get out of them for $2. And we'll release $4,900 in collateral. Okay, those were filled. So those are off the table. We released that collateral on the Dish and now on Intel. What else do you want to do? Oh yeah, there was that Signature Bank I wanted to look at, even though is it still a week out on that? Where are you? We got a bunch expiring next week, don't we? Where is Signature? Let's just check it out. Where are our positions on Signature? Because Signature's, I think, taking it on the chin again today. Part of the reason is because of their exposure to crypto. Well, they're getting out of their crypto exposure, and that bank still is just it's a fine institution. I tell you, it's still a fine bank, but it's just that this market is overreacting to any bit of negative news and to any bit of positive news. So the Signature Bank is currently under pressure. And let's check our positions. So we have 5 on the, okay, so that's April 21st. We'll leave that one alone. Let's take a look at this. We got 3 contracts on Signature Bank that expire next Friday. Okay. We collected some sweet money on it, but look at what the current market value is. Minus $1,305. We did take in $300 when we originally sold the 3 contracts, but to get out of it right now would cost us a lot of dollar bills, wouldn't it? It would cost us a bundle. So let's see if we can roll out the barrel and put money in our pocket and roll down, out and down. So let's see. If we roll it out 43 days to April 21st, what do we have to do to cover this $4.35 debit? Because that would not be debonair, would it? So let's look. We can roll this. We can really have some action on here and collect some more dough. So let's roll it down to $80. So we're going to take $10 a share off the table. Okay, so we're rolling out $10 down in case we are put these shares on April 21st, and we're going to then we're going to collect $810, and that's because this is the volatility is over 100%, basically saying that this thing is going to be crazy. There's some craziness going on here. So we're looking to collect a credit of $795. Let's just see what it's at here. See how wide that is. It's super wide, so we're not going to be able to get all that. I bet we can get 250 though. I'd feel more comfortable, with tomorrow being a potentially crazy day as well. Let's see if we can't fill those 3 and put the $750 in our pocket. So we did that. That was very nice. Makes me feel better. Now, Bart, though, you're keep losing a bunch of money. Well, this number reflects 2 things. One, the market is doing me in because the stocks that we have in the portfolio have been real bow wow yippee-yo yippee-yays lately, some real dirty dogs. And then any of these positions that show in the negative, which some of them are going to show big time in the negative, like this $50 put on Citigroup is $258 in the negative. This was a 125 call. We sold it on purpose to get it assigned, but it's showing a 280, which we're fine with. We're fine with taking it on the chin. These $54 puts on Devon are showing down $250. That's because Devon is probably just under $54 today. Let's take a look. If we look at that, it's just over $54. So if that was today, we would not be assigned those. So that negative number would not exist. So that's what we're looking at. What else was I wanting to make a move on? Let me regroup. I need to eat something. I haven't eaten anything all day today. And it is 12:03 p.m. on the Swatch Watch, Thursday, March 9th. We rolled a couple positions that I feel better about already, but I'll come back probably for one more look at things. If there's anything we need to roll and spin the wheel of fortune, one quick peek at, okay, so SPY is trying to make a green up. So you never know. I could end up, you never do know, do you, with these markets? You never know. It keeps going green. Maybe, just maybe at some point I get filled. I doubt it because we had some nice premium we were trying to collect between just a $1 wide strike on the SPY on the day trade. So there we have it. I'll end it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.